In this video of Microsoft Excel, we will learn about cell reference. We will learn how to use absolute cell reference and get our work done in easily. Before starting the tutorial, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then kindly subscribe it and click the bell icon so you never miss any video from our channel. Let's start the tutorial. I have an Excel sheet of data with students' name and their obtained marks out of 100. I want to calculate percentage of every student out of 100. So let's do it. I just want to calculate percentage, so click on the percentage sign and I will divide I want to calculate the percentage of cell B4, so I will write the formula as B4 divided by B3 and click enter. So it will give the exact percentage that I want. Now I want the percentage of other cells also, so just copy the formula to other cells. It is not giving me the right answer. Just try to find out what's the problem. So select all the cells and we go to formulas and click show formulas, and it will show all the formulas. What it is actually doing, it is taking the relative cell reference, but we just need the absolute cell reference. So hide formulas, and what we want to do in this case, we just want to fix the cell B3. We just want to fix the row 3. So how to do it? Just delete that data and we want to fix the row 3. So before the row 3 I will put the dollar sign so that it is fixed in every cell. So click enter and now copy the formula to all the other cells. That's the correct way. In this video we learned how to fix a cell and get our work done easily in few minutes. If you like this video, please comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel.